Are you ready to receive your first payment from Adobe Stock? In this video, I will show you exactly how to withdraw your first payment from Adobe Stock in simple step by step. Whether you sell photos, vectors, Illustrator, AI generated content or videos, this beginner friendly tutorial will help you receive your money withdraw confusion. The first step by step to sign in your Adobe Stock contributor account, your Adobe Stock ID. Next, go to account settings and open the payment information section. Before your first payment, make sure you have added and verified your preferred payment method such as Payoneer if it's available for your account once your payment details are verified. Then click Available Balance. And click Payout. If you have pay text from US, choose the first option. And if you don't have any pay US tax, then you should choose the second option. Then click Transfer. The payment will be credited to your account within 2 or 7 days. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.